Hey, how's everyone doing? This is also with Awesome Mechanics, and on today's video we have this 2005 PT Cruiser behind me. So the issue with this PT Cruiser, it would actually go into limp mode and throw a transmission code. So how about we get into this vehicle, check out some codes, and see if we can fix it up on today's video. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's use my little scan tool right here. Let's check this out. Let's read what codes we have and see what issue we have. So this vehicle actually came from another shop. Shop wanted me to reflash the computer, and if not, he was going to order a new PCM. So let's see what codes we have. He did tell me that it did show up a TCM code, and this is it right here, that P0882. And this is TCM power input signal low. Let's see what else we have. The P0700, and that's it. So we have these codes right here, and I'm probably gonna get a lot of mess right here, but look, there's a little code button right here. Don't go by it, but let's check what they have right here. So we're gonna go to this P0882. And let's see, top reported fixes. Now remember, Keith did this before, and guess what? It actually did show the reported fixes. And it shows right here, replaced TIPM, reported fix, and second was a PCM. But right now what we need to do is test this out. And if anyone knows about these TIPMs, is that they constantly go bad, especially if they have relays. I don't know if you know about these Italian countries and these minivans. They have an issue with the fuel pump relay. And what I want to see right here, because this code is saying TCM power input signal low, let's see if we have a relay going to the TCM inside the TIPM. So let's go look in Mitchell raw data, and let's look at our wiring diagrams and see what we can find out. Alright, so we are looking at our wiring diagram right here, and as we can see, we do have a transmission control relay, and this is what we're going to be looking at right here. And most likely this is going to be integrated into the TIPM. I did get on Identifix, and you know, these are a well-known problem on these vehicles right here, especially corresponding with that code. So our test that we're going to do right here is we're going to check. So if we do follow this wire right here, that right here is going to be the output that we're going to be sending from our PCM. So this is a transmission relay wire, and that's going to be our connection C4. So our PCM, I'm going to put a picture right now. So as you can see, our PCM has 4 connectors. We're going to have C1 that's on the left hand side, and then C4 that's going to be on the right hand side. So right here, this is going to be connection C4, as we can see right there. And the one that's going to be sending voltage out to the TIPM is going to be wire number 18. And then once we have everything good, we're going to make sure that we have good grounds and good power. So we're going to send power back. Let's remove this one, to 2 wires going to the PCM, and that's going to be wire and wire red 28. So essentially what I want to do right here on this test, making sure that we're getting our powers in and then our powers out. A good little test on this one is as well, while we're doing this test, if nothing's acting up, we can kind of give the TIPM a little tap and see if we see anything drop. Alright, so this is going to be our PCM right here, and we're going to have, like I said on that picture, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. So you have C1 through C4. What I did right here, I actually removed the little cover on the back, and we probed the wires. So right here, what we're going to do, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some backfeed on this, but we are here in Texas. We don't get a lot of rust. So after this repair right here, I'm just going to put some electrical tape on there, and we should be okay. So on the green wire right here, this is going to be our output from the PCM. So we're going to send, that should be battery voltage. And then these other two right here, these are going to be coming out from the relay. So once we hook up our Pico, we just want to make sure that they're both at the same voltage right there, that they're not fluctuating or we don't see any spikes. If we start seeing spikes, we're probably going to start going by damaged relay that we have an issue with. One thing right here as well that we have to look at is if the transmission notices that something's going bad, it's not going to send voltage out from the output side of the PCM. So that could be another issue. So that's what we're going to be looking at. If we go that direction, then we'll hook up our scan tool and we'll start looking into that. But that's enough with this right now. Let's hook up our Pico and let's start looking at some voltages. Alright, so I have the Picos hooked up right now. Keys in the off position, like I said. So the blue trace is going to be the outputs coming out from the PCM, and these two bottom ones right here are going to be the ones that we're getting back from the relay. So let's turn on our key and let's see what activities we get. Right now I have it on the 10-second per division time scale, so I want it to basically show a pretty good amount. So if we see any interruptions, we can catch it. Alright, as we can see, everything went up. We did see a spike right now. I don't know if you caught that right there. And that was coming from our PCM. And let's see what else we get. Alright, this might be a slow process, right?
No glitch right here. And these are the two wires coming from the actual relay. And let's see if we get any other activities. And basically this is going to be a waiting game. And this is not the most interesting thing, but right now we're trying to make sure that we get the right call right here. And as you can see again, we're getting more activity right there. So, remember these are the actual controls coming out from the relay. And what I want to do, I want to see if I can agitate it a little bit, hit the TIPM, just give it a little tap, little love tap, and I keep on seeing these little glitches right here every single time, so I want to give it a little love tap and see what happens, see if I get anything to start acting up from there. Alright, so what I want to, or mallet, and I'm just going to kind of tap the TIPM. Alright, if anything else.
Just move the TIPM. Okay, that can't be that easy, man. Did y'all see that? Right now what I did, I basically grabbed the TIPM and I just kind of moved it. Let me jiggle it again. Let me see if I can, man, I'm pretty sure this is probably a wire somewhere damaged down there. Alright, to get to the TIPM, basically we're going to take off this little air box right here. Got a hose down here. Alright, so that is our TIPM right here. And like I said, all I'm doing to agitate it, I just kind of move it like this. I do notice something on this side. Let me move you over here. Check that out right here. What happens if this is rubbing? Right now what I'm trying to look for, when I move it, that's when it's causing that issue. So what happens if we have some wires that are rubbing right here? So we're just going to kind of investigate, kind of look around, see what we find. Yeah, it looks like someone's already been here. In the words of Borat, wowie wowie. We do have a little bit of chafing, but nothing to, you know, call this wire right here. Alright, I'm gonna put it back again. Let's see if you can catch all of this. Alright, let's see what we have. Alright, cool. we got what we need. We're gonna see that little drop again, bam, again from the PCM. And here you're gonna see me kind of just moving this. All right, just kind of tapped it. All right, that was just giving the old little TIPM a little slap in the booty, and that's it. All right, I'm gonna call the customer, and I'm gonna give them, or I'm gonna call the shop, and I'm gonna let them know about this. So there you go. If you do like this video, please put a big thumbs up. I just want to let y'all know I appreciate all y'all's time for even checking out my videos, and hope y'all like this one, man. Y'all have a nice day. We're gonna get a brand new TIPM on this. We're gonna fix this sucker up. Y'all take care. Goodbye.